Welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 4A and 4B simulation exam. So open the Excel 4A and 4B simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 4A and 4B simulation exam, click start. Open the Excel 4A and 4B simulation exam. Click launch. So open the Excel 4A and 4B simulation exams. Total question is 17. We move to the question number 1. Insert the total sale by location, wrap name and classification recommended pivot tables on the new worksheet using the range A2 to A62. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the recommended pivot tables and total sale by wrap name and classification. Total sale by location, total sale by location, total sale by location and wrap name and classification. Click. So we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is move the wrap name field from the row area to filter area. Move the wrap name field to the filter area and next drag the classification field to the column area row area below the location. Classification field, so next classification field column area below the row area and next drag the month field from the field area to column area, month field to the column area and next display the design tabs and pivot table style under the medium in the second row plus the second style ice blue pivot table style medium 9. So next to display the design under medium in the second row second style ice medium style medium 9. Click OK. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is insert a slicer for the location field. The classification slicer will automatically be inserted and slicer positioning will autocomplete. So insert the slicer to the pivot table tabs and insert the slicer for location field and click OK. And next change the location slicer ice blue slicer style dark 1 and ice blue slicer style dark 1. Click OK. Use the location slicer filter the data only spring field called or display, and use the classification slicer filter the data new subscribers. Using the shortcut menu, copy of the sheet 1 and position the first quarter sales. So right click and click move or copy, create a copy and click OK. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. On the sheet 1, clear the filter from the classification slicer and from the location slicer. The sheet 1 and clear filters and clear the classification filters, and next remove the both slicer from the worksheet. Right click and click remove a location, right click and move a classification, and next with the cell A1 is the active, display the pivot table field pane, use the search box, filter the data location field so that only eagle while cell or display. So select the cell A1 and go to the pivot table analysis and click the field list, and next use the search box data location field and select the all and select the eagle lives and click OK, and next clear the eagle eye filters. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, on the sheet 1, remove the month field from the column area of the pivot table field pane. On the sheet 1 and move the month field to the column area, and move the classification field to the column area. And next close the pivot table, analyze pivot tables. Click close. In the pivot table, move the new subscribers column down so that it is displayed to the right of service upgrade. New subscribers, and next move to the down, move new subscriber down. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, on the sheet 1 and show the detail for a cell D7, sheet 1 and show the detail. Right click, show the detail, and next on the newly inserted sheet with the table selected, use the quick analysis, apply the data bars to the table. The newly inserted sheet inserted sheet with the table selected, and use the quick analysis and data bar, and next rename the newly inserted detail sheet tab data bar. So type the data bar and press enter. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is rename the sheet 1 as the combined cell pivot tables. So next rename the sheet 1, right click and click rename and type the combined cell pivot table and press enter. And next on the combined cell pivot tables and select the cell A1, show or report filter page for the rep name. So select the cell A1 and go to the pivot table analyze steps, and next go to the pivot table groups, click the options show report filter page, click OK. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So next we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is on the combined cell pivot tables worksheet, modify the value field setting to calculate the average and close the pivot table pane if necessary. So next on the combined cell worksheet, modify the value field setting and calculate the average. Click the field list, and next sum of the combined cell worksheet. And click the value field settings, click the average and click OK, and close the pivot table field list. So next So next is using the value field setting dialog box and field settings and numbers category comma style 0 decimal places value field settings and using the number category number format and select the number 0 decimal places and click OK. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is we move to the question number 9. In cell A1, enter the first quarter sale figure. So select the cell A1 and press enter and type the first quarter sale figure and press enter. In cell A3, enter the average sale A3 and press enter and type the average sale and press enter and auto fit the width of column A. Select the column A and apply the auto fit column and next display the spring field sheets. So select the display the spring field worksheets. Apply the pivot table style medium to pivot table styles. Apply the pivot table style. Go to the pivot table tabs and go to the design tabs. Go to the pivot table tabs and pivot table style medium to click OK. So we move to the question number 17. Apply the chart style 5 to the pivot charts. Go to the pivot table tabs, go to the design tabs and select the style 5 and next remove the legend from the chart and close the chart element menu if necessary. Click the remove charts and click the close and next format the data labels to display the only category name and value labels and then close the format data labels. So click the data labels and more options and next only category name and value data labels and then category name and value data labels and then close the format data series. And next change the chart title to sale data. So type the sale data. So next hide the value field buttons on the chart. Go to the design tabs. So go to the pivot table tabs and hide the all field button. So question number 17 is complete. I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So upload the assignments and check the score. You can see the current score is 94%. Excel 4A and 4B simulation exam. Current score is 94%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.